Hi. Today I have a very important topic to cover because I know that a lot of you are going to search for admission in Germany, specifically in Germany, and there are a lot of passionate students who wish to go abroad or specifically to Germany, but due to their CGPA, they are not able to apply. Sometimes their CGPA is quite poor, so they are not able to apply. But today I want to let you know that how you can get into German university with a low CGPA. Yeah, you heard me right. That how you can get into it. Let me talk from step by step. Okay. If you have a low CGPA, how one can maximize their chances of getting the admission to the German university. One important thing many students look is for the university that do not charge tuition fee, right? And of course, one should also look into it. But in this particular guide, I will highlight the minimum CGPA required to get the admission to the university in Germany. And would also like to share some of the motivational examples which can actually motivate you to apply if you have a low CGPA. For admission to German public universities, I'm talking specifically, the good news is that it is possible to get to study in Germany for almost free, even if you have a low CGPA, which is around 2.2 or 2.1 even. But for that, you need to follow the right strategy and apply wisely. So the first thing is that public university in Germany, the public universities are divided into two categories. One is a technical universities, which is known to be TU universities, and second is the universities of applied science. So for technical university, you need a higher CGPA, which is for sure. Okay. And with a good score as well. A minimum of 3.5 or 3.7 is required to get the admission into a technical universities. And getting admission into these universities, you know, they are mostly located into big cities or in a popular cities like Hamburg, Frankfurt. So of course their job opportunities are also there, more of job opportunities, I would say. But if you have a CGPA lower than 3.5 and around 2.7, you should look for university to applied science, in terms of getting the admission into these universities is easy in terms of getting into a technical universities. Okay. So there are many good reputed applied science universities in Germany for international students. So if you have a CGPA lower than 2.7, then uh, most of the students I've seen that they do get through if you apply to a much smaller places. Okay, so there will be fewer chances of getting admission into the top ranked universities which are already there in the big cities, and specifically to technical universities. But if you apply through smaller cities, you know and a smaller town, because there will be a less competition, you have a greater chance to qualify. How can you get the admission if you have a low CGPA? There are some steps to follow that can increase your chance of getting the admission with a low CGPA. Even student with a less CGPA like 2.3 also got into the admissions. First, you have to do is a search on Google by writing a prompt that give me the list of universities in Germany that are in a smaller cities. Okay, that so give me the list of universities in Germany that are in smaller cities. Then follow these steps. Okay, shortlist the universities that have a low criteria. and that are in smaller cities in Germany. Go to DAAD, and from there you will see all the universities in Germany. Just shortlist 20 to 25 university, if you have a low CGPA. You just need one invitation letter from the university to come to Germany. Okay. So your motivation letter needs to be really strong if you have a low CGPA. You need to make a stronger letter. You have to cover up for your low CGPA in your letter recommendation. You have to tell why you are motivated to do this specific course and what other certification, skills, or experience you already have. For example, if you're applying for a computer science and you have a low CGPA, but make sure that your computer science subject has a good CGPA, but overall, even if it's low, it's fine. Okay. I wouldn't say it's fine, but it can be worked out. Okay. So make sure that you attach a good motivation letter, copies of all relevant certificates, a school diploma or degree, translated overview of applicants' modules, a good language proficiency proof. I would highly recommend if you're interested specifically to go to Germany, make sure that at least you know B1 level of German, because that would make your chance really brighter and you might stand out. Okay, because if you know how to read and speak in Germany, that really counts a lot of uh, your advantage to it. So this is all about how you can study in Germany with a low CGPA. This is only way of you to get through if you are able to follow these steps. Although these steps sound simple, but once you start doing your research, you would have your own things which would be coming around that, okay, this is there, this is not there. In case if you feel like, do write to me. I would try to help you in any case if I am able to. Okay. On that note, all the very best, and do re- do make sure that you read out about DAAD, and also known to be a dad. And make sure you have one of the letter to go to Germany in order to in order to achieve an admission there. On that note, all the very best.